Hi guys, I wanted to give you a little breakdown of 41P, and it's now referred to as 41F. This is what the ATF's been working on to infringe on us some more as far as NFA items. Basically, before there was different ways you can go as an individual, submit your fingerprints, your passport photo, and mail that in duplicate with your Form 4 or Form 1 to the ATF, and then they'd approve it or reject it, whatever, and send it back to you. And only you had possession of that. And if something happened to you, there's another form. I could be wrong, Form 5 or 7 or something, but that would be a way someone else could inherit her stuff tax-free one time. Then came around the trust. Basically, the trust is an entity, it's not a person. So the way that worked is you created a living trust, and you assigned a trustee, maybe a successor trustee, and a beneficiary, and you were the grantor or the settler. That gave you and everyone on there, as far as trustees, power to own the items in the trust: silencers, machine guns, short barrel rifle, shotgun, destructive device, AOW. And that process is you submit the trust with, and sometimes you have to submit a form called the 5320. It's a citizenship form. You submit that, no fingerprints, no pictures. The ATF approves it, sends it back to you or to your dealer, and at the dealer, one of the members, you or one of your trustees, completes the NICS check. Once that's done, take the can, everyone's happy. Now, they've been fighting for this, or fighting us on this for a while. So now, the rule is that everyone on the trust has to submit fingerprint cards, has to submit passport photos, and has to comply with a NICS check. Now, certain states like Texas have a way to kind of get around the NICS check. If you have a CHL or CCW, no, you don't have to complete a background check. This isn't implemented for another 180 days, so get your cans while you can. This is more of an inconvenience than anything else. There is no Cleo Sign off, so there's no law enforcement, so you don't have to go to a district attorney or chief law enforcement. This was one of the main reasons that people went to a trust instead of individual, because a lot of Cleos wouldn't sign off, and a lot of states have CHL Sign certify laws, or trying to get those laws placed because of that. A lot of law enforcement felt that either they were completely against law-abiding citizens owning firearms of this nature, or they were worried about some sort of liability. But now that's kind of out of the books. Everyone has to complete a 5320. So again, it's just a little form, says it's a citizenship form. NICS check for everybody, which makes it complicated if you have people in different places. And so basically, if you have a lot of people on your trust, cut that out. Unless you just want a whole party to go, you pick up your can, which, I mean, could be fun. The responsible persons that are required to do the NICS check and the fingerprints and all that are the grantor, settler, same thing, or the trustee. Successor trustee beneficiaries are exempt because they have no power over the trust. Once you have an NFA item approved, you have 360 days to resubmit a new one. If you resubmit one and I believe it's in pending status during that time, then you don't have to redo the pictures or the fingerprint cards. So if you get a NFA item every year, you're pretty much good. So you have to do it the first time and just every year keep buying something. You'll be okay. Let's see, anything else I'm missing? This is not retroactive, so you're not gonna do this to any of your previous items. And the way you can help fight this and other stuff they want to try, there's a couple of different organizations out there fighting for you. One is the American Suppressor Association, and on Instagram they're at American Suppressor or www.americansuppressorassociation.com. They're the ones who started the Hearing Protection Act. Sorry, it's late. And they're the ones also starting a new campaign, No State Left Behind, because they want to get silencers legal in all 50 states. The other organizations, the NFA, the NFA Freedom Alliance, it's run by Todd Rethner, and both of these organizations are really fighting for us. NFA is the one who helped get us a lot of good laws passed here in Texas, and just go help them out. I'm a member of both organizations, and do your part, and I'll keep doing my part, and all of us together can. You guys have a great night. Bye.